All right, what is up, Blessed Foundation, man? It's Saturday. How are y'all doing? Welcome. It's the Blessed Foundation, and we're back, man. Sorry, I've been absent this whole past week, yo. I was just trying to get in a certain mood, man. Trying to figure some things out, but we back. Next week, back stronger, bigger than ever. But we can go through our plays throughout the week. Well, I wouldn't say plays, but see what the market did throughout the week, and we can go from there. All right, y'all. So we're on AU right now. We're going to take it back out to the daily, actually, to see what we did this whole week. Now, my video over here is just, I hate, because I want y'all to see me, but I guess that, whatever. Anyway, this computer, man, anyway. It's another story. But this week, all right, so I don't want y'all to see the whole thing anyway, okay? I might just start making a video at the beginning and then just pulling the charts up. But so this whole thing, this week, man, let me see. We started this week on the 17th, right? Yep, on the 17th. So dive in. So we started this week right here. All right. This candle right here is where we started. And last week we hit our targets. Okay. To be honest, I have no idea what I said in my previous video that I made on Sunday. I don't know if I said I want to see the market actually retrace or not. But that looks like the situation we might have going on. That we might actually see the market retrace once again, since we hit our target. See our market retrace once again to make sure we don't want to pass this low. All right. And once we know that we don't want to pass this low, we're going to start fully heading up. I believe we're turning tides now. I believe we're changing sentiment in the market, and we've hit our lower lows. We've hit our low, all right, and now we're preparing to turn around to continue to possibly go back up to this level and up on farther, to go back to the, let's just say 0.70 level right now, to go up to 70. All right, so with that being said, we got about 300 pips to go. A little bit over 300 pips, 350 maybe, 400 pips to go. So we'll see how it goes with AU. On Friday, we had a nice bearish candle, man. Nice bearish candle. So that kind of just confirmed my the confirmation that I want to still yet see us push down some more. But we'll see how it goes. All right, we will definitely see how it goes. We might get a return back to this level. But this is an additional level right here too, that we might, if we don't come down to this one, this is an additional level we might see us actually come to see some play around and bounce off of. Okay. Now, I am not gonna lie, on the 4 hour, and see, I might have to actually take my trades off come Sunday evening, Monday morning, because I honestly, I did get in, but I'll wait and see, because now that I break it down to the 4 hour, which is what I was looking at before, the 4 hour and the 1 hour, I thought that maybe this level was gonna hold this one, basically, this 0.6680 level. I was like, we might hold this level, and we did actually. So I got in on this candle right here. We came up. Let me scroll in for y'all, zoom in. So I got in on this candle. We came up with a nice bullish candle, okay? And that candle really took over half this one, all right? And we still basically price held this level, okay? And I should say really this zone, you know, I just put levels there just to make it simpler for me. I don't really like using zones. But for the people that want to use a zone and want to have a broader price range to work into, it's a great tool. But so this zone price has been bouncing off of this zone, and that ending last 4 hour candle is still yet a bullish candle. So let's break it down to the hour. Now we can see, look, more in more detail of what went on. So this is that bullish push off of this bearish candle. Okay, now price came down, didn't break, price came down once again, stayed within this level. Let me take that away. Stayed within this price right here. So what is that? That's like one, yeah, it's right, it's just right above 180. It's right above 180. So we stayed right here, and then we ended, well, we didn't end because we ended with a indecision candle, but our last couple of candles, man, that was positive. They was bullish candles. So or at least the candle previous before that was a bullish candle. So it's gonna be interesting to see what we come in and do on a Monday. But all we got to do, of course, is wait and be patient. Wait for the right signal. Wait for the right time. And I wouldn't say time. Wait for the right signal. Wait for the right setup, the right pattern to figure out if we need to get out or we can keep going and moving forward. You feel me? So we're gonna keep a close eye on that. I am definitely ready for it to go up to my upper levels once again. We did chase that level on the 20th, but we did not come up to our 0.68, 0.6780 level. We stayed below that, okay? Which is another reason why I'm like, all right, we probably will retrace some. So, what we might see coming in on Monday, we actually might just see a straight push down, maybe it come up, okay? So let me draw it out for y'all real quick. We definitely might see a push down, all right? Then a come up, and then, whoops, I didn't mean to do that. But then another push down to chase those lows, and then we'll see the market start to head up, all right? Now, like I said, there's no guarantee. There's no guarantee, none whatsoever. But this is maybe what we're hoping for. Or if not, shoot, we might just see a straight push up, okay, off this level right here. Might see a straight push up off this level, and let that be that, and we're back chasing our highs once again. So we will see what goes on. Now, a trade that I told y'all about on Sunday, because we've been focused on AU, I actually got in AC, the Australian Canadian dollar, the Australian and the Canadian dollar, on what day I got in? I think I got in on Monday, if I'm not mistaken. Hold on. So I got in down at the lower end. 96. Did I get in? Yeah, I got in at like 9:15. So at 0.900, no, 0.9015 is where I got in. All right, I got in a little early. I mean, that was from last week, because I was holding the trade from last week. But we came up and hit my target level. All right, came up and hit my target level. Let me break it down for y'all, because the whole reason why I actually made that a target. So I was holding my trade from last week. I got in like right about here last week, okay, and it went up. I was waiting for it to hit this. I actually didn't have that level marked up, but I wanted to either see us hit this level or this one, but it didn't. It crapped out and fell back down by Friday of last week. Not this previous week, but the week before that one. Okay, so the week of the 14th. There you go. The week of the 14th, that Friday. We had a major push down, and I believe I had got in on Thursday. So, coming in this week, I was ready for us because I had marked this up. This was my stop loss basically. But I had marked this level to see if the market was going to come down to this level and hold this level, just basically play within this range, okay, and then see us shoot up, make this bullish move up, okay. So what exactly we did, we held this 0.89 level, 0.8960 level, 0.8959 level. We held it, and we just had basically straight bullish move from there. We was bullish all week. So nice. So I was just waiting, and for the market to hit my target, which it did. I got out. Basically knew or possibly thought we was gonna get a retracement, which it looks like that's what we're starting, and waiting to see where we're going to stop at, see where we're going to retrace to, find a cheaper price, all right, and then be able to get in on that retracement for the next bullish move up. So I honestly, because I see this right here, I'm gonna mark that up, and anything in between I would love to see price actually come to. All right, we can actually use the fib, throw the fib on real quick as well for a little quick reference. So put the fib on from that low to that high, and now look while our 70.50 level is on our 62 or our 62.0 level is our 62 level and our 70 level. Okay, in between that, you see where I mark my line up. It's gorgeous, right? It's beautiful. So we're in line. We're in line, and I believe that's where I'm ready to get in at when we do come back down to this level. But I have to wait and see. Once we get down there, I have to make sure the setup is right, the pattern is right, and if it is, I'll go ahead and make the deal and get in on that cheaper price for the next push up. Now with that being said, man, that's pretty much it. Honestly, I'm not looking to get into too many more pairs. I just only want to deal with those two. But we can look at GJ real quick, my baby, to see what we got going on, because I haven't looked at it in a while. And GJ just been steady pushing up. And I'm mad. I missed it, man. I wanted to get in down here, and I missed it. And we've went up 700 pips since then. 700 pips since then. And that was the end of March. That's why I love GJ. GJ be moving, bro. But I'm focused on us coming up to this level, so I'm just waiting for our next retracement. Waiting for our next retracement so I could possibly get in. Now we're at this level right here. We've reached that price level, had some type of reaction. So we'll see what we may possibly come in and do next week. See if we are going to get some type of retracement. And I might be able, well, I see this. I hope y'all see that. Y'all see that? Hope I may be able to get in on that retracement. Okay? I'm actually, boom, right there. I like that better. But I actually want to get in on that retracement. Okay? But we will see how it goes. Now, that's my baby. I'm not going to get into too much detail about GJ, but that's my baby. And that's what I'm looking for. Looking for some type of retracement to possibly get in on that bullish move. Now, every pair that's going against the US dollar, we should see some bullish movement, okay? Sometime, somewhere soon, we should start seeing bullish movement, being the fact that the dollar is still dropping. All right, which possibly means that the U.S. economy is starting to do good, because usually when the dollar drops, the U.S. economy, our economy, is doing better than what it was. But we'll see how it go. Let me show y'all something real quick. And I'm not very fluent in this, but I was looking. I believe I got our index on here still. Yeah, the inflation rate. Yes, I know. So with inflation, why I got these dots on here now? That's weird. Can I change that? No, it ain't gonna. I don't know. I'll figure it out later. Cause we didn't have these dots on here. When I first added this chart, these dots were not on here. That's irritating. But so with inflation's been dropping since April actually of 2022. Since April of last year, inflation been dropping. So how they see, I need to start paying attention to stuff. That's why I gotta start digging into Bloomberg and looking at all that stuff again, because I stopped looking at the economic news for a long time. It's been a fact because I could judge what the market is doing without it, but the economic news still yet helps. But we're at what, 5 right now, 5% with inflation. Okay, and they're looking for inflation to come back down to 2%. Now we're at this level right now. Still doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to bounce off this level, okay? But we're at this level right now, and we might see a little play around. But I believe we're probably going to hit our 2% goal. Maybe not by the end of this year, but sometime next year we might definitely hit our 2% goal, or at least around our 2% goal. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, inflation is dropping. So with inflation dropping, that means that the U.S. economy is doing a little bit better. But there is things deeper. Just because the economy is doing somewhat better, that don't mean that the people are doing better. If that makes sense. It's a lot more behind that, but I'm not gonna get into deep details about that. Anyway, y'all, that's it. I love y'all, Blessed Foundation, and I will see y'all on Sunday, tomorrow. Y'all have a wonderful and rest of y'all. Well, actually, I might just come to y'all on Monday. I mean, I made the video today, so I pretty much said what I might want to see go on next week. So anyway, y'all, I hope y'all have a wonderful rest of your Saturday, and peace and love. What do we do, Blessed Foundation? Strive to achieve and always play to win. Always. All right, y'all. Peace.